What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles here with a new cleaning video. As you can see, I'm on the brand new Reshoevn8r set. We got the nice wood in the back. We have the Reshoevn8r logo. I'm wearing this nice jumpsuit, which I feel really great in. And I have the new rebranded products on the table that I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about, starting with the Collapsible Bowl. I'm gonna take it out the box. Now, as you can see, guys, we added our new Reshoevn8r logo on the inside. And of course, it collapses and opens up, so you can go ahead and put your water and mix the solution in there as well. The next product is our brand new cleaning mat. Now, I'm super excited to show you guys this one because it's come highly requested by all our customers. And as you can see, it's amazing. Actually, let me go ahead and take it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this box on the floor. Check that out, guys. Now I can go ahead and set this down, put my shoe on there, get it all soapy, bubbly, get it all crazy, and it's not gonna create a mess, guys. This mat will go ahead and soak up all the water, which, like I said, has come highly requested. I'm excited about this brand new product. Now, the next product, guys, are our adjustable shoe trees. Now, 2 pairs come in this box, and we've actually improved it so that way it fits all the way up to a size 13. So I'm super excited about that. Now, the last product I have on the desk here, guys, is our essential kit. Let me open this up for you guys. Are you guys ready? It's gonna be amazing. So this kit right here is gonna come with our brand new microfiber towel. It's gonna come with 3 re-engineered brushes. They're actually bigger, guys, and they have way more bristles, so that way you get a nice cleaning, and a 4-ounce bottle of solution, which I'll show you guys how to use coming up, guys. Now, I'm super excited. Let's get into this cleaning. So the shoes I'm cleaning today, guys, are the Common Project BBall low tops that, as you can see, have definitely seen better days. Now, for this cleaning video, guys, I am only gonna clean the right shoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the left one aside. Now, first step, guys, is always insert your shoe tree. Now that the shoe tree is inside of the shoe, guys, what that's gonna allow me to do is apply more pressure on this toe box, and it's also gonna help reduce the creasing as well. So now the next step is removing the laces. Next, we wanna grab your bottle of solution and pour it in our bowl of water. Just 2 small squirts will do. Then the first brush I'm gonna use is our Soft Bristle Brush. And as I mentioned, guys, we went ahead and improved it by making it larger. We've also included a lot more bristles, so I'm very excited to clean with this brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause real quick, guys. My first initial thoughts of using this brush is I could already feel the improvements from the bristles. Like, it's weird because the bristles are still very soft, but I feel it in my hand that it's getting a real deep cleaning, but I'm not damaging the suede material. You just have to try it to know what I'm talking about. I love this brush so far. It really feels nice. It's so crazy. Guys, so Mr. Reshoevn8r has been telling us about the improvements to the brushes that were coming with the rebrand. Now, we've seen pictures, I've held like the prototype, but I've actually not have used it yet. This is like my first time actually using this brush, and I can't tell you guys how excited I am for you guys to try it. Like, I'm not even kidding you. This is way like, it's just different. Like, it holds really well in the hands. I could feel the bristles really working, but it's also not snagging the suede. I'm excited. I'm sorry, guys. This is my first time using it. I can't wait till I get to the medium brush. All right, let's go ahead and check out how the uppers are looking with the new microfiber towel. This feels nice. Pat it dry. So the uppers are looking really good, guys. The suede is looking nice and clean. Once again, that soft bristle brush was amazing. When I was cleaning that suede, like I said, I felt it getting a real deep cleaning. However, it wasn't ruining the suede at all. And as you can see, really cleaned up the uppers really good. Now the next step is to go ahead and hit up the midsole to get a deeper scrub, and I am gonna do so with the medium brush. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause right there. Let's see how well this medium brush is working. So I've only cleaned this side of the midsole. Let's get a quick wipe down. Go ahead and check that out. And let me go ahead and spin it so you guys can see the other side that I have not hit yet. So as you can see, guys, there is a huge difference within the cleaning with this medium bristle brush. Let's go ahead and hit the remainder of that midsole. I think I am done there. Let's go ahead and pat off this midsole. All right, go ahead and check that out, guys. The uppers are completely done. Now the last thing to clean on this shoe is gonna be the outsole, and I'm gonna do that with our Stiff Bristle Brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause on this one as well, guys, because I'm really loving the way that these brushes are filling. And I wanna show you guys how good these brushes are working. Now I only hit this one area here, and as you can see, it's already a huge difference. I only hit it a couple of times, and as you can see, it's clean and not clean. I'm loving these bristles, guys. The brushes feel amazing in the hand. I'm just excited for you guys to try it out. Leave me a comment below if you're excited to try these bristles out as well. All right, so I think I'm done with that stiff brush. Go ahead and get a nice wipe. Check that out. All right, guys, so that's it for cleaning the entire shoe. Oh, I actually smudged it right there, not a problem. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. Next step, and it's the last step, is to clean these dingy laces. And all you have to do, guys, is dip it into our bowl of solution and water mixture. Get them all nice and bubbly and scrub them. All right, now let's run that through the microfiber towel. All right, that's it for the laces. I'm just gonna set them right here. Then we gotta put the shoe outside in the sun and let it dry. But before I go, guys, I wanna go ahead and talk about the mat some more. As you can see, we did a whole clean on this mat. It soaked up all the water. What I wanna do is I wanna lift it and see how well it did. Is there anything in the bottom? Let's check it out. Spotless. Table looks amazing. It looks as good as when I started. Guys, I'm super hyped up for you guys to try out this mat. Like I said, it's soaked up all the water. It looks nice. It doesn't look all dingy. The table doesn't look crazy, and table's clean. So we'll be back, guys, and we'll show you guys exactly how these shoes turned out. All right, guys, we are back. It's actually been a few days since I let this shoe dry, and I want to show you just a real quick side-by-side on how well it cleaned up. Now, as you can see, I haven't laced this one up, and that's because I have to reset the suede. It is feeling like a little rougher, and you can probably hear that on the mic. Texture is really rough, and I just need to reset it with the medium bristle brush. And all I'm gonna do is make sure I brush it in multiple directions, not applying too much pressure, letting the brush do its thing. Once I'm done, we'll lace them up and we'll finish up this video. So let's get into it now. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm actually doing with resetting the nap on the Suede. So as you can see, it goes from a light to dark color and the material feels really soft. So you wanna make sure you get to the point where you can see it transition back to light to dark, and that material is just really buttery now. It wasn't as crunchy as it was before, and it's really soft. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the shoe. We'll lace it up and then we'll finish it up. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Remember, I was able to achieve these results using our signature kit, our brand new cleaning mat, and our collapsible bowl that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, and leave me a comment below what you think about the setup. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.